If you have noodles at home, this recipe will surprise you. First, put a pot with boiling water on the fire. We will add 200 g of pasta, 4 units of tomatoes, 6 cloves of garlic and salt to taste. Mix everything and cook for 5 minutes. Time has passed. Remove the tomatoes, garlic and noodles from the pot. Look at the magic happening. That way, very slowly, calmly and without hurry, see? Now, in a bowl, peel the tomatoes by pulling the skin that is already loose after cooking. Easy, isn't it? Let's go to the processor. Put the tomatoes and garlic inside, add salt and pepper to taste and beat until everything is well mixed. In a frying pan, heat some olive oil and break 3 eggs. Add salt, stir well and fry. It's delicious. Ready. Now add the sauce we just made. To give that special touch, add paprika and salt to taste. Mix everything together and cook for 2 minutes. Then it's time to add the noodles and mix well. Let's do it. Now, to give it an amazing flavor, add a tablespoon of soy sauce and a tablespoon of sugar. Mix everything together and prepare the palette. To finish, a little bit of chives on top to give a wonderful look and taste. Did you like this recipe? So don't forget to like and comment on what you found. Make it at home and tell me what you think. Bon appetit and see you next time.